Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today my 12-ton press has turned up and I'm going to be building it and putting it all together, and I'm just going to basically speed up the footage and take you along for the ride. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a review on it, on the quality of it and the build of it, and see how it functions and how well it functions, should I say. And then I can continue with the poly bush on the wishbones. So let's flip the camera, show you this bit of equipment I've got here. So this is it. It comes in two boxes. The actual bottleneck jack is in here, and also in that box you've got the nut and bolts, some springs, pins and the plates. In the larger box of the two you've got like the legs here and the rest of it all, like the feet. It measures 50 centimeters wide and 120 centimeters high, so it's not all that big. So what I plan to do is I'm going to just set the camera up, start assembling it, but I'm going to speed the footage up so you can watch it. So let's just crack on and see how this turns out, shall we? Okay, so I've got everything laid out in front of me. I've got all the bolts set here ready to go, everything I need. So I'm just going to crack on, speed the footage up and get this thing built. So let's start with this piece, shall we? I'll start with the base of it first and work my way up. That's the base done, the feet. Next is this top piece. Making sure you get it the right way around. Label facing front. You need these 4 great big bolts here. They are M14 fasteners. Just gonna undo them all. So we've got the 4 bolts in, fronts are 19s, and the back bolts, these ones just here, they're 22. So let's put them all in now. Before we tighten this up here, there's a couple more bolts to go in either side, so we're going to grab them. Okay, as you see, I've got all the bolts in, I've nipped them up. I've not tightened them right down yet because I want to get everything into place first to make sure it all fits. So next I'm going to put the pins in these holes here and get the springs and the bar that sits here. So let's crack on and do that bit. Next, this bit I'm imagining sort of this is damaged. Look, you can see the bend in that, so I'm going to have to try and pull that out somehow. Okay, so I've got the piece all straightened out. That was damaged. Now it's time to put this in. But before we put it in, we've got two little eyelets for the springs. Let's get them in place. Let me just lower the camera and show you what I'm doing. So there's that bit. Next would be the jack, I guess. It's a bottleneck jack. This is where the majority of the weight comes from, and it sits right there. But it's held in nuts with these springs like so. So before I put this in, this is going to be a bit of a, I'd say hard bit, but just working out which way the springs are going to sit. One. Let's bring that. It obviously will go in. There we go. Bit of force and it goes in. Now what we've got to do is get this bit in. Pull a bit closer. So to get the actual bottle jack in, there's a lip just here and it needs to sit on here, so you need to, I'm gonna just put enough pressure behind the springs, front and back, and hope that it goes in like that. And that is all it is. There you have it. It's all together. Here's your handle. It was a bit flimsy. open end just here, I don't know if you can see it, but the double end there, designed to go on there. That sits in there. Then on the end of the smaller bit, put this little piece goes in there. There we go, it's moving. So, what's next? That's this all together, to be honest. I've got, hold on. I've got a couple of pressure plates here with, these things are quite heavy in themselves. Like this. So they're for your bushings. They sit like that. I guess you could probably get away with them like that. And that is my 12-ton hydraulic press. So as always, if you like the videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. I believe it's down here, and consider giving us a like. Right, what I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to attempt to finish off my poly bushing on the front wishbones, because I've bought this to push them out, because I tried burning everything and they wouldn't budge. You'll see that in the video, and you'll see this in action. So for now, it's another video in the bag, and until the poly bush comes on, which will be in the next few days hopefully. So see you soon. Cheers for watching. So I'm finishing this video on a bit of a sad note, unfortunately. A good friend of mine, Paul, and a fellow subscriber to my channel, and he contacted me to tell me the sad news that their son Taylor had passed away suddenly. And he's a good friend, they're a great family. Taylor was only 19 years old and he had so much to live for, and he was a car enthusiast. He enjoyed his cars, so he enjoyed watching other channels that are out there on cars and doing up his car as well, called The Frog as we now know. And Paul is a good friend of mine. Now no one should lose their children and bury their children before they do, before, you know, the obvious. So this video I'm dedicating to you, Taylor, and the next one coming up with the front poly bushes, because that one was meant to be out before this one. And so these next two videos are for you, mate. I know you enjoyed watching the videos, and we had spoken many times about future projects and even having arranging a meet up. So Paul has asked me to mention that he has set up a GoFundMe page in honour of Taylor. I'll put a link in the description to that. And Taylor started up his car group, Black Club Mondale or something like that. I'll put a link to there in the group as well. And we were planning on getting some meets together with that local group, me, Paul and Taylor, for people like-minded car enthusiasts. So I'll put a link to that group down below as well, so if you want, go over there as well and sign up to it. Taylor was working on getting a meet together at some point in the near future, maybe early next year. So maybe in his honour, anyone can sign up to this group. Me and Paul are admins to it, and maybe in honour of Taylor we could do a meet up and get together and just respect each other's cars and rides and what everyone's done to them. Life's too short. You've got to enjoy it while you're here. Make the most of it, because you never know when it's the end. You know, you die once, but you live every day, so you've got to enjoy it. So this video and the next video, which will be the poly bush install on the front wishbones, I'm dedicating to you, Taylor. So with that in mind, wherever you may be, my friend, okay, you just rest in peace and take care of your parents, Paul and your mum and your brother, okay? So I don't know what else to say, but my thoughts and prayers are with you guys at this tough time. And like I said, if you want to show your condolences, head over to the link below and share some love and show the guys your support. So I don't know what to say, but till the next one, bye for now. See ya.